luggage has been successfully retrieved. It was only supposed to be 24 hours, but we're doing like 26, so shh. It hasn't been a problem, and I hope they don't mind.
Away from our Airbnb. Luke has no idea if we're going to live with the person or we get to place ourselves. He thinks it's a human carrying all the luggage.
Alright, did you tell him?
Yep.
Just got off the line, just got back from...
I literally just said this.
Alright, well maybe they didn't hear them. We don't know where we're going. We don't know what to expect. Let's hope for the best.
Alright, which way?
I don't know.
This is like a busier commercial area. Building A, floor 3. We don't know what room.
So it's like floor 2.
Well, top floors mean nice views. Smells like they just painted. Well, this one has like that. So there's keys to get in. So I don't think we're living with anyone. Thank God.
Oh, it's this way.
Oh, there's a little bag. Are you sure it's that room? I would think so, right? With the bag on the door? Well, this one has a bag on the door. I would think it's this one. Yeah, this is definitely for us. It's a Paris guide and toilet paper. So that's nice. We have toilet paper.
So this one is it? Should I try this one?
I don't know. Maybe she's got 2 rooms?
Street view!
Your suitcase though is what I'm really concerned about currently.
Ah, yes.
Oh, thank God. It's different. It's different.
All right, this is where we're gonna spend the next 2 nights. Uh-oh.
Use the bathroom right next to where we sleep.
This is pretty cool though, isn't it?
Yeah, but we're gonna have a hard time getting a breeze.
That's an AC there.
Where?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my suitcase. You will never guess what we found in the fridge. Haley had her first ever spritz. What was it?
2 days ago?
What was it called? It was just a spritz, right?
Aperol.
Yes, it was an Aperol spritz. And what do you know? The famous Italian liqueur, accompanied by a bottle of soy sauce in our fridge. Look how the world comes around full circle. We had an Aperol spritz, and now it showed up in our last place of stay. What do you think of this place?
I like the other places better.
I like it though. It gives you
It's just different.
It is different. It's not a hotel, like I said, and it gives you a vibe of how the Parisians live. Like, for example, we have our friend jamming on a guitar. We have people working with concrete on a sidewalk. We have somebody talking on the phone, covering their mouth in secrecy. We got off the train station somewhere over there. It's actually over there behind this building, but we bent around this corner and came into here. So we have a lot of exploring to do. Oh, there's a garbage here. Should we go get some refreshments?
Yep. What do you have to do? What, am I crazy? No, that's a bell, right? You got that a video?
Yes.
I hate you.
Why?
It was heavy as fuck. Like,
Really? All right. Good music in here. All right, we have come to the French grocery store to get some refreshments. We're discussing the concentration of yogurts per square footage of this establishment. I think it's a lot. She thinks it's normal. You tell us. What do you think? That whole aisle back there was yogurt. We're getting croissants now.
we will be. Lost our spot because we went outside.
I thought you were in line.
No, I said I'm gonna go outside. I don't know what you were trying to do.
We're sitting on a bench to drink our water, test the variety of different waters.
You're not opening every bottle right now.
Maybe we aren't.
That's crazy.
Well, there's a few that are the same, so only different ones. You're starting with the Avian. No, not that one. I think that's the best one. We've got Vitel. We've got Crystalline.
You have toothpaste?
We got Avian. Yes, I have toothpaste in my pocket. And Lutachi, yeah. How's the chocolate croissant?
It's good. Not as chocolate as you think it would be. You're the biggest dork ever.
Yes. Is this a movie set, Haley? Is it?
I would have called it out.
Hey, what's going on with this boat? It's got more plants than my garden. Both our gardens combined.
Their version of it over here.
All right, after 30 minutes of walking, we have
Feet hurt.
finally reached the restaurant. And this one's special. It's classic French cuisine, and I've been waiting to try this recipe. Classic coq au vin, chicken and red wine. And I think they have it here. So I'm very excited. This is very important. Yes, the second one right there.
It's gonna be on your menu. What you're gonna get?
I have made this dish 3 times, and I want to see how they make it.